Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel, and today video I will show you how to download intro maker to edit your video for the social media on YouTube or Facebook. Alright, so before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So first we need to go to Play Store. We use Android. Let's go to Play Store. 1 second. And then you type here intro makers. You can install it. We're just waiting for installation. Alright. Alright, it's done. So just open it. Alright, just allow. Just the tutorial. Alright, so I'm gonna choose the sample. Alright, you can have a look this sample. I'm gonna choose one like this one example. I'm gonna download. That is nice. Template. Skip it. And I'm gonna here put your logo and your title. And yeah, it's so nice. So for example, I'm gonna put logo names here. Example, text, reason. Right, just click it, and here you can edit. Put your logo. I don't have a logo, so just skip it. If you have, you just put inside this circle. And one more, you can put the the music for your intro maker. Just gonna download. For this song. I'm gonna choose the first one. And yeah, gonna choose that one. Just click on plus bottom. Let's take one more. Just this one. Alright. Fade out. Value. Legs. I'm gonna play. Alright. It's done. And hope you love this video. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel for next video updates. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.